Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I wanted to come on and share this with you. My husband just came in with the mail, and I placed an order with the company on eBay. These are some, I believe that's what's in here, some beaded sari trims that I won in an auction on eBay. But look at how they were shipped in a fabric bag. Look at this thing. It's very cool, actually. How it got here, I don't know. The top has just a tiny bit of stitching in it, and that's it. Isn't that amazing how that got here? I just thought it was really cool, and I wanted to show you, so I might as well open it. This is just the customs form that says it's fabric, but there's some really neat stamps on here too. But this bag is just very cool. I love it. So I'm just gonna pull that off. I can probably get the sticky stuff off of here later, but I'm just going to open it by cutting this thread here, and then we'll take a look. And I'm actually going to do another video shortly as well, because I'll explain that in a minute. Let's do this first. Okay, but it's a very cool bag. I love it. I've never had a package come to me this way, so I thought it was really neat, and I thought you guys would like to see it. So yep, it's my sari trims. Amazing. Ooh, yeah, so isn't that amazing? Look at that. It's a really neat, it's almost like muslin, but not quite. It's a little thinner than muslin, but I'll be saving that. Okay, so let's see what these are in here. How can I get in here? Nope, gonna have to cut that. They look very pretty. So like I said, I won these in an auction on eBay. I just thought they were super pretty. They're all different. Oh, they're pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. There's one. Very sparkly and pretty. Oh, I love that one. That's nice. Really pretty. I think these were like $5 for all of these. So you can get some really good bargains, you know, if you can't afford the whole sari, which, you know, some of the saris on eBay are just crazy price. This is a really good economical way to get these types of pieces, and I'm doing a project currently that these are going, some of these will be going to. It's that one. There's a lot here. Wow. That one. Love that. So sparkly. And here is a nice piece. Nope, that's the right way. Like the back side looks pretty good too. Nice big piece. This is a smaller trim. That was from a hem by the looks of it. And gold. Ooh, I like this one. Super pretty. A few more here. Oh, look at that. I think that's a peacock. Yes, it is. It's a peacock right there in the middle. I know they need to flatten out, but oh, super pretty. I'm very happy with these. And there's that one. Love this. Oh, I love that. It's like an avocado dye pink color with the gold on it. I love it. Still going here. Oh, wow. That's pretty. So, so pretty. Another one. And I think this is the, yep, this is the last one, but it's a nice big piece. Which way is up? That way. So that's my little eBay haul. But I love the bag. The bag is very cool, and I really wanted to share that with you guys because I've never gotten mail like that. Oh, I just showed my address. Smart Kim. Anyway, I've never gotten mail in a little bag like this before. I thought it was really neat. So I'm going to be back with another video soon, and I just wanted to share that with you. And if anybody's interested where I got this on eBay, just leave me a comment. I'll send you the link. Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.